Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Model S. Model S is the world's first premium electric sedan. Model S provides an unprecedented driving range without burning a drop of gasoline. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, power brakes, rear view camera. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.